Hello bachcho, let's read this question. So the question says the number of moles of KMnO4 that will be needed to react with 1 mole of sulfite ions in acidic solution is, and we have 4 options over here. So here, in order to solve this question, the key concept is concept of chemical equivalence. Chemical equivalence. Alright, so यहाँ पर given है KMnO4 reaction with sulfite ions. So KMnO4 एक oxidizing agent है and sulfite ion यहाँ पर oxidize हो रहा है. So sulfite ion is the reducing agent. So let us write the oxidation and reduction reactions for KMnO4 and sulfite ions. Alright. So KMnO4 on reaction with acid, it forms K plus ions plus Mn plus 2 ions plus 4H2O. So here it will be 8H plus. Now अगर हम ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट्स की बात करें, पोटेशियम ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर K प्लस स्टेट में था और यहाँ पर ये K प्लस स्टेट में जा रहा है. So there is no change in oxidation state. But मैंगनीज यहाँ पर +7 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में था और ये चेंज हो रहा है +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में. So it should gain 5 electrons. So we will write that here that Mn plus 7 gains 5 electrons. So plus 5 electrons to give K plus Mn plus 2 plus 4 water. And ऑक्सीजन अपने -2 स्टेट में था जो कि वाटर में भी -2 स्टेट में ही है. So there is no change in oxidation state of any other element. Alright. And यहाँ पर जो n factor है that is the number of electrons lost or gained. And यहाँ पर 5 electrons gain हो रहा है. So NF is equal to 5. Now let us talk about sulfite ions. So sulfite ion में क्या हो रहा है? This is sulfite ion SO3 minus 2. When it reacts with water, it gets oxidized to form sulfate ions SO4 minus 2 plus 2H plus. Alright. So यहाँ पर sulfite ion में सल्फर अपने +4 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में था, बट सल्फेट आयन में सल्फर अपने +6 that is highest oxidation state में present है. That means sulfur must lose 2 electrons. Alright. Sulfur must lose 2 electrons to form SO4 minus 2. Alright. So we will write it over here that it loses 2 electrons. So the n factor will be equal to 2. Now जब हम KMnO4 को सल्फाइड आयंस के साथ रिएक्ट करवा रहे हैं, then the number of equivalents of KMnO4 is equal to number of equivalents of sulfite ions, that is SO3 minus 2 ions. Alright. And number of equivalents का फॉर्मूला हमें पता है, that is number of moles of KMnO4 multiplied by the n factor should be equal to number of moles of sulfite ions, that is SO3 minus 2 multiplied by its n factor. So number of moles of KMnO4 हमें find out करना है. So let it be n of KMnO4 multiplied by NF. So KMnO4 के लिए NF 5 है multiplied by 5. That is equal to number of moles of SO3 minus 2 ions. Question में दिया गया है that 1 mole of sulfite ions in acidic solution. So number of moles of SO3 minus 2 is 1 multiplied by NF for SO3 minus 2 ions is 2. So N of KMnO4 will be equal to 2 by 5. Alright. So this is given in option number A. So our correct answer over here is option number A, 2 by 5. This is the required solution and I hope you understood the concept well. Best of luck.